In this clip, Stanley does some fishing. There's Stanley starting to fish, and Papa comes along to see what's going on. I have no idea who that little girl is. There's Siggy and Mama. You notice the genie house in the background there. This pond sat behind the hotel building, and it actually had fish in it. I remember my father stocked it with trout. And of course, while Stanley gets to play and fish, I have to work in the garden. That's Siggy there doing all the garden work.